Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use scheduled sticker on Instagram stories. Let's have a look. Instagram currently testing a new scheduled sticker for stories, which provides another way to promote your upcoming events. First, open Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app up to date. Tap your profile picture icon on bottom right. Now, if you have upcoming events, you can add them on your Instagram stories. You can add upcoming events on Instagram stories using scheduled sticker. So tap plus sign on top right and tap story. Select any image from image gallery, then tap sticker button on top right. Scroll and find out scheduled sticker. Tap scheduled. Select one to add in your story. Now you can resize scheduled sticker and you can place it anywhere on your story. That's it. Share your story with new scheduled sticker. When someone view your story, they can tap remind me. Instagram will notify the day before and the day when the event starts. So these are the steps to use scheduled sticker on Instagram stories. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.